Divisibility by 4. Rule. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits form a number divisible by 4. For example, 5728 is divisible by 4 as it ends in 28, 28 to 4. We know that 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7, with a remainder of 0. On the other hand, 278 is not divisible by 4 as 78 is not divisible by 4. This is because 78 divided by 4 is equal to 19, with a remainder of 2. The calculator gives 278 divided by 4 is equal to 69.5, which is not an integer. It is clear that a number that is divisible by 4 is also divisible by 2. That is all for lesson 1.6.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.5, Divisibility by 5. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.